Okay, this is the Motive camera. We did 4 trucks for this company here. Pretty much just with the platform, you'll be able to monitor the gas, hard braking, live view inside the vehicle, crash report, a bunch of goodies. Anybody that buy these cameras, you buy them on from their website. You set up the subscription with them. They'll ship you the cameras. Once you get the cameras, you give us a call. Miami, Fort Lauderdale, and Homestead. We come to you. You don't have to bring your fleet. A lot of times they're dump trucks or semi trucks or a bunch of pickup trucks or whatever you got going on for your fleet that is hard to bring it somewhere. Don't worry, we come to you and you can line them up and we can knock them out. Our numbers is 305-298-4814. This is a commercial camera for fleet. And we thank you for watching this video. Again, our numbers is 305-298-4814. This records the front and it also records the driver.